Hello everyone, today we have a 2013 Cadillac CTS V, clean title, a 6.2 liter supercharged V8. Sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. Alright, you see that this one has fog lights up front. Dual exhaust, painted alloy wheels. These ones had the V branded brake calipers. Tint all the way around. And we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. So it does have a light gray leather interior. Dual panoramic sunroofs. This is a shot of the VIN right here. Bose sound system, 2 driver presets. Okay, and as we look over here, you'll see that it has 91,511 miles on this vehicle. And then you've got your cruise control, your stereo controls, your ignition right there. And then as we come over here, you've got your navigation. And this does have AM, FM, and Bluetooth. You could also have traffic through your connectivity. And then you can drop that down in the event that you want the windshield space instead. And then you do have your suspension sport mode. Okay. As we come down here, you'll see that you do have disc drive as well. And then we can also pop it in reverse and we'll see the backup camera. There you go. As you keep coming down, you've got your heated front seats. And then you have a 12-volt power outlet in here. Then you got your shifter. And this is your key fob, and it actually has a remote start right here. That's what that button's for. And then your additional stowage here in the middle. Glove compartment, mirror. Then you got your map reading lights. And your controls for your dual panoramic sunroof. Alright, that about wraps it up for the CTS V on the interior. This vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.